JAMB 2024, 2014, sorry. What is the least possible error encountered when taking measurement from a meter rule? So this question, what this question is asking is, what is the reading accuracy of a meter rule? So let me make two things clarified here. The difference between reading accuracy and what? Measuring accuracy. Reading accuracy and measuring accuracy. When you say reading accuracy means the least possible value. The least possible value someone can read. Someone can do what? Read or measure. Read or measure. However, when you say measuring accuracy means the least, or you say the smallest value the instrument can measure. So now, when the question says what is the least possible error encountered when taking measurement? The errors someone can encounter when taking measurements comes from reading accuracy. That means the person is unable to read accurately. So they are asking us what is the reading accuracy of a meter rule, not the measuring accuracy of a meter rule. So here is a meter rule, a calibrated meter rule. Now let's take a small analysis. Let's do a small analysis there. So this is a small meter rule, measure from 0 cm to 10 cm. From 0 cm to 10 cm. Now, this is 0 cm, this is 1 cm, 2 cm, 3 cm, 4 cm to 10 cm. So, if you come between this 0 to 1 cm, have you seen these other smaller calibrations? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 10th one is now the long one. So that means you will count up to 10 places before you now get to the next whole number calibration. So now what does that tell us? What that tells us is, if here is 0, the first small calibration will be 0.1 cm. The next one 0.2 cm. The next one 0.3 cm, 0.4, 0.5 cm. That means this middle point is 0.5 cm. 0.6, 0.78, and then you enter 1 cm. If you continue like that again, that will be 1.1 cm, 1.2 cm. So that's how it goes. So that means each of these small calibration is what? 0. Each of that small calibration is 0.1 cm. So that means if you are using a meter rule to measure anything, the least or the smallest value that meter rule can measure for you is 0.1 cm. And this is called the measuring accuracy. MA. So the measuring accuracy of a meter rule is what? 0.1 cm. If it was in millimeters, then you convert it to millimeters. In millimeters, that would be 1.0 millimeters. That's if you convert 0.1 cm to millimeters. That would be 1 millimeter. So the measuring accuracy of a meter rule is 0.1 cm or 1.0 millimeters, or you say 1 millimeter. That's for measuring accuracy. So what about reading accuracy? Now the instrument here has given you a calibration that can give you up to zero, that can give you as small as 0.1 cm. But you that is doing the measurement, you can take a reading that is beyond 0.1. What do I mean by that? Now, like I said, between 0, as you have 0 here, the next one will be what? 0.1. So assuming you are measuring something and that thing falls just in between 0 and 0.1, falls just in between it. Once that thing falls just in between it, what will be your guess? Your guess will be 0.05 cm. Well, excuse me. So this will be 0.05. So that means someone who is taking reading from a meter rule can read to the accuracy of 0.05 cm. And if you convert this to millimeters, that will be 0.5 millimeters. If it is about unit conversion, there is a video on that. We have a video on that. So now someone who is taking reading from this can read like in between this, like here now that is 0.5. Just before the next one, which is 0.6, you can read 0.55 before you now enter the next one, which will be 0.6. So the reading accuracy of a meter rule is 0.05 cm or 0.5 millimeters. So now we go back to our question. Our question asked us, what is the least possible error encountered when taking measurement from a meter rule? So when you are taking measurement from the meter rule, the error that you are likely to encounter is it will emanate from reading accuracy. It will emanate from reading accuracy, because no matter how, because that 0.05 is something that is kind of guessing. Now you are guessing that thing falls in between that 0.1 cm. You are just guessing it. So when you guess like that, that brings about a possible error to that, because you are not very certain that place is 0.05 cm or 0.5 millimeters. So the error that you can take on when taking reading from a meter rule is what? 0.5 millimeters, or you say 0.05 cm. So that's the error you are likely to read, because it is not, you have gone beyond the measuring accuracy of that instrument. So our answer is C, 0.5 millimeters, because that's the reading accuracy of meter rule. But if they were asking about the measuring accuracy, or the question was What is the least possible value you can measure with a meter rule? The least possible value you can measure would have been 0.1 millimeters. Thank you.